This is a tutorial about how to use the HoverCam software. So now that you have your HoverCam hooked up, how do you use it? So on your desktop, you should have the software. If you don't see the software, you can go down here to the search, start typing in HoverCam, and Windows will locate it for you, and you just click to open. So I already have it open down here for my Screencastify tutorial. And let's jump into how you use the software. So on here, you have, you can demo to your students live by demonstrating through your HoverCam on your smartboard to your students that are there, or you can record on your screen a lesson that you are doing, and you have a few options: video camera, full screen, time lapse, and slow-mo. So video camera and full screen is probably what you will be using it for. Down here, there are a few more functions you can use side by side. This means that it will take any snapshots that you've made, and snapshot option is right here, and you can bring down a snapshot of something. So this is the live, and here is the static picture. So if you were demonstrating step 1 here, you wanted the snapshot of step 2 here, and you can have an adjuster if you want these equal, or you want one bigger, one smaller. So that's a nice feature. When you want to stop using the side by side, you will just press it again. Multi-split means that you are going to split your screen with a live and then several other screens of snapshots. So if I do a 2x2 and I press start, here is my live, and these are all the snapshot photos that I have. So you can show multi-steps. Slingshot we'll skip. I don't have a use for that. Snapshot, of course, is that snapshot that you take of those steps that you want to demonstrate. And when I do not want this multi-split on my screen, I would click on it again, press stop. So that is all of these features over here. Multi-scan, you can click on here and take scans, PDFs of pictures that you have of a book or a worksheet, and you can make them into PDFs. Your pause button, of course, is to pause a recording. View options, you can mirror this, you can flip it, you can project it. Probably the mirror or the rotate is what you will probably choose. Zoom, of course, is self-explanatory. You can zoom in, zoom out by pressing that. Cropping something, if you really want to hone in on an image, you can crop it. And then some settings that you have, so you know where all of it's going to be stored. Your recordings of any videos are going to be saved as Windows Media videos, and your miscellaneous will tell you what folder your videos and snapshots will be stored in. So it is in your document folder, and it's called Note, and it's something Note. So we can actually locate it right here just to be sure. I'm going to go to my File Manager or File Explorer, and here is my documents, and it's called Notester. So that's where all the images and videos will be stored. So if you need to upload these to your Google Drive for some reason, you know where to go to upload those. I hope this video is helpful to get you started using your HoverCam.